Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to download and install Yandex browser. For this, first open your browser. Search for download Yandex browser. Click on the first link. Now, click on download. Click on Start Download. After the download completes, open it. Check the boxes and click on Install. The installation process will take several minutes, so you have to wait. After the process is done, click on Yandex. Simply click on Skip. Click on Don't Transfer or Next. Click on Restart Now. Now, choose your tab layout. Choose the color you want. Click on Got It. Now click on Finish Setup. Done, your Yandex browser is successfully installed. Please hit like and subscribe button and also press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Also, share this video. Thanks for watching.